Hello guys, welcome to the channel. This is Sam. Alright, okay, a quick one. Chintai is live. Chintai is live, so this is exactly how what it looks like. I'm already logged in. Alright, so with Chintai you can actually give out your EOS, rent out your EOS for people to use and get some profit on it. Once you log in with Scatter, this is what you see. Currently, no order to show, meaning I think this means that no one has actually decided to take any EOS or to rent any EOS, right? So if you have some EOS lying down doing nothing, you can actually come over here and stake them. I think the minimum you have to stake. Okay, I have one EOS right here. So if I choose interest rate of 0.03 and try to submit that to give a report, the minimum is 10. All right, so that's the minimum. Okay, I think I have 5 here, so that's the minimum. It has to be up to 5. So you can set your interest rates and then give out your EOS for developers to use, and it has a 14-day lease period. And I think this okay, this guy is giving out 21,000 EOS at 10%. That will be 10% in 14 days. And according to our calendar, we have one, two, uh, they're about that's like 20% in a month. That's cool. So this guy is giving out 200 EOS at 9%. This is the cheapest right now, and it's not much. All right, so now assuming you need about 21,000 EOS, what EOS to do whatever you want, um you have to go for this guy, because if you want to, yeah, or you search for um this type of quantity and price and rates, that will be up to 21,000. Like you'll be getting it in bits. That will be stressful. All right, so it's actually very simple to use. All right, so this is the market history. All right, so okay, I think some people have already got in. So 20 EOS at 2%, 14 EOS at 10%. That's cool. All right, so Chintai just launched. This is a very good deal, I guess. Room 472. So you can basically just rent out your EOS. Oh, EOS Nation is here, beautiful. You can rent out your EOS to developers to use and develop their dApps, and you get paid for that, right? So this is bringing more use case to EOS, and it's beautiful.